Welcome in, everybody. Today we're checking out a hearing for Mickey Stines, Shawn Mickey Stines, that sheriff that shot the judge down in Letcher County, Kentucky. So we're just waiting on the judge to come in and conduct the hearing. So just waiting on to see what they're doing here. I think it's just a status hearing, just to see the status of the case and where everything's at. Probably some motions. So I just wanted to mention that we hit 1,000 subscribers today, got monetized today fully. So the channel is now 100% monetized. We will now have ads on the channels or on the videos and whatnot. We also have memberships available now. You can purchase a membership in the for the channel, a monthly membership that'll give you perks and access to videos before the general public. Member only videos, member only live streams, special emojis, certain chat live streams, member only live streams with me, member only chats, things of that nature. So there's different tiers. There's a basic tier, and then there's a more advanced tier. I think the lower tier is $2.99, and the second tier I think is $7.99. So if you're looking to contribute, you may do so. The link is in the channel description, I believe. Also, maybe if you click join, you might be able to do it that way as well. Just waiting on the judge. There's Sheriff. Looks like it might be coming in now. Or about to. So I would imagine that these hearings aren't in Letcher County. I would imagine that they're in the next county over, which I believe they are. So just bear with me here. We're just waiting on the judge to come in. I guess maybe I can find the latest info right now that we can maybe find. See what's happening. All right, it looks like we're about to start here. I don't know why we don't have any sound. I don't understand why there's no sound. Is it me? What?
Procedurally, before we move forward, due to the nature of the case, we want to make sure it's done correctly and handled appropriately. So once that issue is addressed, we will reset a date for all pending motions. Anything else on behalf of the Commonwealth?
Will we approach your honor?
Sure.
Now we're going to go right off the record immediately.
Judge, just in regard to the Commonwealth's change of venue motion, I will take that, but I do have affidavits I'd like to supplement the record.
Yeah.
They've already been provided to counsel, but I just wanted to make sure the part of the record before I lose
All right.
originals.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
All right.
Thank you.
This is the first sidebar I've ever got to
With
hear.
that, court is
Live.
adjourned.
Court is adjourned. What? Okay, that was it. So no court. What a waste of time. Or are they in recess? Is that what he meant to say? We're in recess, maybe?
Reset a date for all pending motions and handle the procedure.
We will reset this matter. How dumb.
Procedurally, before we move forward, due to the nature of the case, we want to make sure it's done correctly and handled appropriately. So
Basically, they
once
just
that
adjourned
issue
the
is
hearing.
addressed, we will reset a date for all pending
Brought all these
motions.
people in, brought the
Anything
media
else
in,
on
brought
behalf
the
of
press
Commonwealth?
in, just to say,
Sure.
court's adjourned, everybody. I mean, what a waste of time, what a waste of resources, what a waste of taxpayer money. I mean, seriously, they couldn't have done this over email. This is why our court system is so backed up. This is why our justice system is so fucked up. Because of stupid, silly shit like this.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
You wasted how many people's time? How much money was spent doing this? You
With
know,
that, court is
these
adjourned.
attorneys for the state. How much money were they just paid to do this? For fucking nothing. You know, they probably just made $250 a piece, all of them. You know, Mickey Stines, he had to pay for his attorney to come in and do this. I mean, what a bunch of bullshit. What a crock of shit. You know, that's why it's bullshit that you have to pay for defense attorneys to get a good defense, because the state's just got unlimited money. They can just do whatever they want. It doesn't matter to them that they just wasted an hour of pay. And there goes Mickey Stines again. Brought him to the courthouse, shackled him up and all that bullshit for absolutely nothing. Commonwealth of Kentucky. Well, there it is, folks. That's all she wrote. So much for that live stream. I guess we'll have to figure something else out for this afternoon. I'll be back on here shortly, guys. We'll get something put together.